I removed the tank. It was easy. I did, however, break this bolt over here, 5/8 bolt. I'm gonna have to pull it out. It wasn't anything serious. This one over here, it seems like it's sticking. It is movable. Same strength. It did lose after I pull it around, but I'm gonna take the whole thing apart and check the brakes and the brake discs and make sure everything is good. Everything seems to be okay. I took everything off and I cleaned it real good. And all this is free. The disc in good shape, all 4 of them, and they're free. The differential has very little backlash. It's dry now, there's no oil on it, so and everything is spinning freely. These bearings in good shape down there. And there is one right here. This is all the brake and clutch parts. They're all acceptable except these two, this set over here. The shaft, this shaft over here was stuck inside here. I guess because the dozer was sitting for too long, I think 12 years. It was stuck, it's not free. So I'm gonna realign all 8 of them. Even though these good, but I think these the original. They 45 years old, so very well made. Even though it looked like it's homemade stuff, but it's very good design and easy to work with. Also, I checked these, I ran the dozer and none of them leak, but I'm gonna take them apart and repack them. And I'm gonna redo the brake pedal. It has a lot to play. And I'm gonna do this. It's very hard to adjust. The blade is bad and it's bent. So hopefully I get all this taken care of this week, and next weekend I put put it together and be done with it.
I installed and adjusted everything according to the manual. I even used the proper hydraulic fluid. Unfortunately, a few months after I finished with the restoration of this bulldozer, one of the shoe lining material came off the metal. The first people who did the lining for me, they must have used defective material. I'm planning to make a how-to video on the subject for installing and adjusting the brake and clutch part for this machine. Stay tuned for that. Over here is show how I adjusted the brake adjuster bolt, and then I put silicone and installed the jam nut to prevent moisture from getting in and damage the thread, and also prevent any leak. And over here I'm showing how everything operating smoothly. And the manual talking about distance to go from this corner to the piston. Like I said, I will cover that in detail in the future. And over here is show I rebuilt the brake pedal and clean and painted everything. And I also cleaned the thread on the brake adjusting rod to make it easier to adjust the brake pedal. I had to make a new pin for it. I made it out of old grade 858 bolt. I had to machine the head of the bolt off so it will fit in the compartment where the brake pedal go, and I drilled it for cotter pin